Hi Trey, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my post on Facebook the other day and for letting me make this video for you. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and at the end of this video, I do ask if you could possibly give me some feedback. It would be greatly appreciated. But let's just go ahead and get into the few things I want to go over with you. So the things I want to go over with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that consists of your front page here. Any wording that's on your page, any pictures, how those pictures are saved, and what's behind those pictures all count as content towards your website. Now, with Google, they recommend that you have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competitors and the number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So with you being a fencing company, you do landscaping, hardscaping, irrigation, and more, that gives us lots of chances to come up with specific keywords for what you do and what service areas you have as well. And I took a look at one of your competitors in the area, and looking through, they have quite a little bit more content on there and then showing all the service areas. So that way they're able to then be able to put those keywords in and Google then can see what they want to be found for. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you today is called a backlink. And what that is anywhere you can find a website linking to another website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins or people's websites pointing back at them. However, not all of these links are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want something relevant to your industry and local websites will be what works best. Now, I use this tool here where I'm able to actually see how many backlinks you currently have. And I don't know if your website's newer or what's going on exactly, but there's no backlinks showing up yet. And the same thing goes with the keywords here. Now, looking at one of your competitors, they have 228 backlinks and 192 keywords. So basically, I'm able to use this tool so we could try to utilize the same backlinks and be able to get you more, and then also kind of see what the same type keywords you want to go off of. And also we want to come up with other keywords to be able to boost you up on Google as well. Now, the last thing we want to go over is citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown. Citations help you rank in what we call the map pack here. And it's extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amount of revenue. Now, citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. Now, social media accounts are a great tool for you to use as well. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, that's when you start to outgrow your competitors. And I pulled up a couple different options here to see, like I pulled up a few keywords and to be able to pull up, these are where we want to be able to get you ranked. So when people are looking for those specific services in the areas that you serve, that's what they're going to look for. But I did find that you are ranking on fence installation. So I found like with things with fences, so we want to be able to boost up the other things as well to get your company found easier with all the options that you're servicing. And I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine getting that stuff done here, all working together for you, would generate some pretty decent revenue. Now, if you do find yourself wanting more info to be able to continue to scale as far as you want, please feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So once again, Trey, my name is Brittany. I want to say a huge thank you for allowing me to record this video for you and being able to get this out. I hope these tips help you. You can reach out to me anytime on Facebook. I'm also going to include my phone number. You can text me, you can call me, and I'm also going to include my email. So there's lots of ways to get a hold of me if you do happen to find yourself wanting more information. I will also be checking in with you again soon. But I want to say thank you so much for allowing me to take the time, and I hope you have a great day.